Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best lawn insect killer in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Cutter Backyard Bug Control Spray. This is the best lawn insect killer. Mosquitoes, mentioned ant species, fleas, and other insects are all killed quickly. At the flip of a switch, the hose end sprayer initiates the spray. You grab, flick, and go. Controls house crickets, carpenter ants, harvester ants, lady beetles, and earwigs for up to 12 weeks. Treats up to 5,000 feet of lawn. To treat your lawn, landscape, and outside surfaces where insects hide, connect the sprayer to a garden hose. It is the best lawn insect killer to treat big areas, such as lawns, ornamentals, and outdoor surfaces. Use this product. Application is simple with a hose end adapter, no mixing is necessary. Yards, decks, patios, and picnic areas are all good candidates. Spray with an aerosol for use in infected outdoor spaces. Number 2. Our second best pick is Flowtron Electronic Insect Killer. It is the best lawn insect killer because flying insect pests are attracted to and killed by this product. Get rid of flying insect pests in your outdoor living places without affecting the environment. Pesticide-free insect remnants fall to the ground and are naturally reabsorbed into the environment. The UV light and an electric grid in this maintenance-free system kill thousands of flying lawn insects for pennies a day. Even better, the ornamental lantern may be used as security illumination. Octanol can be added if desired. This insect killer for lawns comes in a patented, high-efficiency, and non-clogging killing grid. High-voltage transformer powers the killing grid. BF35 high-intensity UV, blacklight, bulb, 15 watts. Free 30-day cartridge with USDA-tested octanol attractant, a proven mosquito lure. It is made of tough, weatherproof polycarbonate that won't rust, break, or fade. You require no tools for bulb replacement. It eliminates the ongoing cost and inconvenient use of chemical insecticides. Runs on cents per day. Number 3. Our third best pick is Vet's Best Flea and Tick Yard and Kennel Spray. This spray has been proven to kill mosquitoes, fleas, flea larvae, flea eggs, and ticks on contact without the use of harsh chemicals. It includes a ready-to-use hose adapter for your easy application on grass, lawns, kennels, patios, and other outdoor surfaces. It doesn't affect trees, shrubs, or flowers. Each steam-distilled essential oil is chosen for its effective pest control capabilities and is 100% natural. Vet's Best Yard Spray is a powerful defense against insects and pests that's delicate enough to use around the whole family. It's ideal for active infestations or routine mosquito, flea, and tick control. Each 32-ounce concentration container treats up to 5,000 square feet, can be replenished with Vet's Best Yard and Kennel Spray's 96-ounce refill. This lawn insect killer has a 2-year expiration date printed on it. It uses a special blend of peppermint oil and eugenol to kill fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes. These lawn insect killers are a safe and effective outdoor treatment for pets and their families. Vet's Insect Killer is effective on turf and grassy areas, covering up to 4,500 square feet. Patios and outdoor surfaces such as concrete also benefit from it. This insect killer not only kills fleas and ticks but can also help reduce troublesome mosquitoes that hide in grass and shrubbery. The spray kills mosquitoes on contact and helps to keep new ones away from your lawn. Fuse the garden hose to the spray and turn on the water. Spritz the entire yard or kennel evenly. Cover the area, but not so much that it puddles or runs off. There is no need to rinse. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Amdro Ant Block Granule. These lawn insect killer granules kill 25 distinct types of ants. It kills the queen and the colony as a whole. It forms a barrier around your property to keep ants at bay for up to 3 months. To kill ants, shake ant bait around the perimeter of your home for use outside. They are the best insect killer granules as they are said to be the most efficient ways to kill ants. Bait works even if the nest isn't visible, and unlike contact insecticides, bait can wipe out the entire colony by killing the queen. In addition, ants are attracted to bait because it tastes like food. When worker ants discover the bait, they carry it back to the queen and the rest of the colony to share. The entire mound dies once the queen and other ants have eaten it. There is a delayed reaction before the lawn insect killer granules begin to take full effect. These insect killer granules kill all of the ants in the colony in order. As a result, bait is thought to be more successful than contact killers since the bait is distributed throughout the colony, whereas contact killers only kill ants who contact the substance. Thus, ants are out of your lawn with Amdro. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Ortho Home Defense Lawn and Landscape Insect Killer. It is the best lawn insect killer as it kills 235 insects, including ants, ticks, mosquitoes, fleas, and spiders, and it also builds a bug barrier to keep them out. Starts killing identified outdoor insects within minutes, ensuring that lawn insects do not enter your home. This insecticide kills ants, spiders, and American dog ticks for up to 3 months. First, make a barrier to prevent insects from entering your home. One bottle treats up to 5,300 square feet, and there's no need to mix or measure. Connect to your garden hose and spray. People and pets can return when the treated area has dried. This killer starts working within minutes to kill listed outdoor bugs, so those lawn insects won't come inside your home. This insect spray keeps on killing ants, spiders, excluding black widow, and American dog ticks for an impressive 3 months. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.